Hi guys! Welcome to Math Easy. Today's topic is operation on functions. But this time, focus tayo sa addition. Umpisahan na agad natin sa example number 1. Meron tayong given na f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 at g of x is equal to x plus 3. At hanapin natin yung f plus g of x. So ganito yung gagawin natin. So copy muna natin yung hinahanap natin. So that is f plus g of x. So ang gagawin lang natin dito guys is magkakombine lang tayo ng mga terms. So, sunod naman po niyan is i-distribute natin yung x sa loob ng f plus g. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng f of x plus g of x. At kung napapansin nyo, yung f of x ay nasa given natin. So, magsasubstitute lang tayo dyan guys. So, yung f of x magiging na siyang 2x plus 1. So, ang ginagawa ko dito guys is ini-enclose ko sa parenthesis para alam ko yung identity ng given. So, dito tayo sa g of x and that is x plus 3. At kung napapansin nyo guys, yung plus sign dyan, i-distribute natin yan sa loob ng parenthesis sa x at plus 3. Pero kung napapansin nyo, wala naman nangyayari dyan. Kaya medyo okay pa, safe pa tayo dyan. So next na gagawin natin is iaalis na natin siya sa parenthesis. And after that, magko-combining like terms na tayo. Alam naman natin na kapag nagko-combine tayo ng terms, dapat same yung variable niya at same yung exponent niya. In this case, 2x at yung x yung parehas. At ganito pala guys ang ginagawa ko. Kapag alam ko na yung terms na ko-combine ko, yung numerical coefficient ng variable ay nilalagay ko siya sa loob ng parenthesis. Kagaya ng 2 plus 1. At yung x naman is nasa labas. Plus yung ating constant term that is 1 plus 3. At after that, i-add ko naman yung 2 plus 1 at yung x. So magiging na siyang 3x plus 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So meron na tayong sagot na f plus g of x that is equal to 3x plus 4. So yan na yung sagot natin sa example number 1. Dito naman tayo guys sa example number 2 natin. So meron tayong given na f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x and then g of x is equal to 3x minus 5. And we are looking for the f plus g of x. So ang gagawin natin dito guys, isulat muna natin yung f plus g of x. And after that, yung x, i-distribute natin siya sa loob ng parenthesis. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng f of x plus yung sa x naman, yung g naman, magkakaroon tayo ng g of x. Kung napapansin nyo class, magda-directly substitute lang tayo kung ano yung nasa given. So f of x will now become x squared plus 2x. And then, close sa parenthesis plus g of x will now become 3x minus 5. In-close natin ulit siya sa parenthesis. Kailangan natin guys i-enclose ito sa parenthesis para alam natin kung ano yung rule ng operator. Pagdating sa subtraction, malalaman nyo kung gaano ka-importante yung parenthesis natin. So dito guys, kahit na since nasa addition tayo, kahit na i-distribute natin yung addition dito sa 3x minus 5, walang mangyayari. Kaya alisin na natin sila sa parenthesis. So magiging ganito na siya guys. And after that, magko-combining like terms na tayo. Kapag nakita natin, kagaya ng x raised to 2, wala siyang kaparehas. So mag-rewrite lang tayo ng x raised to 2. And then dito guys, ang may kaparehas lang yung 2x tapos yung 3x. So gagawin natin, i-enclose natin sa parenthesis yung numerical coefficient niya. So magiging na siyang 2 plus 3x minus 5. Yung 5 wala siyang kaparehas na constant term, kaya nire-write lang natin. And dito guys, pwede na tayo mag-simplify since na-group na natin yung mga may like terms. So magkakaroon tayo ng f plus g of x is equal to x squared plus 5x minus 5. Just be careful lang guys sa pag-combine at yung ating mga signs. Dito naman tayo guys sa ating last example. So meron tayong given na f of x is equal to 2x raised to 2 minus x plus 4 at g of x is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x minus 7. And then we are looking for again to f plus g of x. So gagawin natin, rewrite natin yung hinahanap natin. So that is f plus g of x and then that will be equal to, i-distribute natin yung x sa f and g. So magiging yan guys, f of x plus g of x. And kung napapansin nyo, yung f of x is nasa given natin. So magsasubstitute lang tayo dyan guys. So magiging na siyang 2x raised to 2 minus x plus 4. Enclose natin siya sa parenthesis plus yung value ng g of x sa given. That will be x raised to 3 plus 2x minus 7. Enclose natin ulit siya sa parenthesis. Ngayon, alis na natin siya sa parenthesis. So magiging na siyang 2x raised to 2 minus x plus 4. And then plus x raised to 3 plus 2x minus 7. And then after that, titingnan natin ang mga terms na pwede natin i-combine. Tandaan nyo guys na ang pwede natin i-combine yung same variable with same exponent. So dito guys, kung napapansin nyo, yung 2x raised to 2, wala siyang kaparehas. Kaya ang gagawin natin dyan guys, is i-rewrite lang natin siya. And then after that, titingnan natin ulit yung mga given kung alin yung may mga kaparehas na term. At meron tayo ditong negative x at 2x. So ilagay natin yung mga numerical coefficient dito sa loob ng parenthesis. So meron tayong negative 1 at positive 2. Ilagay natin yung same variable, that is x. Plus, tingnan ulit natin kung alin yung pwede natin i-combine. At kung napansin nyo, yung x raised to 3 wala siyang kaparehas, kaya i-rewrite lang natin siya. At meron pa tayong pwede i-combine, ito yung tinatawag nating constant terms. So we have plus 4 and then minus 7. So gagawin natin dito guys is magsisimplify na tayo. So that will be 2x raised to 2 plus. Etong next na term natin na nasa loob ng parenthesis, meron tayong negative 1 plus 2. Kung napapansin yung unlike sign, so magsusubtract tayo. So magiging sagot yung guys is positive 1. So that will be 1x plus x raised to 3. Kopya lang natin kasi wala naman siyang kaparehas na term. And then, yung last term natin, that is the constant term, that will be 4 minus 7, unlike sign ulit, so magsusubtract tayo dyan. At ang sign na gagamitin natin ay kung ano ang sign na mas mataas na number, and that is 7. So, ang sign ng 7 is negative. So, magiging sagot natin dyan guys ay negative 3. At hindi pa yan dyan guys nagtatapos. Kailangan pa nating sundin yung standard form ng polynomials. Dapat natin siyang ayusin into descending order. So, ang mauuna dyan guys is yung x raised to 3 followed by plus 2x raised to 2 plus 1x or simply x na lang, and then yung last term which is constant, that is negative 3 or minus 3. So the final answer is f plus g of x is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2x raised to 2 plus x minus 3. Ganyan lang kadali ang operation of functions in terms of addition. Math easy, follow for more.